Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DFBG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but today quite a bit of movement, not only from the price action perspective with that big gap up, but you look down here at the volume, and once again, big volume sort of mimicked what it did over here. So quite a few eyeballs on it. I traded it myself. I don't own any shares or anything like that. I'm all flat for the day. But let's get some levels mapped out. I will be watching this one again tomorrow. And, if it wants to stay pretty volatile with the volume, it might be worth trading again. First level of support, though, to keep an eye on is going to be this previous breakout point right here around $4.65. And this is just, good old foundational technical analysis, which states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's just real quick establish the fact that this was indeed a level of resistance in the past. So when they are broken, you want to see them act as support. And obviously it was broken with the gap up above that level this morning. And you can see right there, it got right around that area, did act as support. So what's very intriguing here, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. No, and anybody that uses charts, understands charts is going to be, observing and wondering the same thing. But, the price essentially closed right around that area, so it's within striking distance for a potential break to the downside. In the event the price does actually, break to the downside, the next level of support, that I'll be keeping an eye on would be right down here around $4.15. So going into tomorrow, again, support-wise, $4.65 and then $4.15. What about levels of resistance? As far as sellers and where they're hanging out, seems to be the majority of them right now are right around that $5.70 mark. There was kind of a miniature channel that formed this afternoon on the top of the channel. Give or take was right around $5.70. And I'm just going to leave it at that level of resistance. If somehow the price actually gets up through there, then you're looking at right around $6.50 as that next overall level. But I think priority number one right now going into tomorrow is this little miniature pullback that was occurring. Is this the start of a bigger decline, or are the bulls going to be able to level things out around one of these areas of support? So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, like I said, I'll definitely be watching it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.